Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. Well, today I'm going to share a tutorial. This tutorial is based on questions from one of our friends here in our community. So from Melissa Marini-Jackson, and I challenged myself to make this tutorial just to help others, for those who are not familiar how to execute this kind of design. Well, Melissa asking for is there any way in Canva to create this that type of an outline? Yes, this one can be done in Canva, so you don't have to upload a specific font for this, but in Canva you can make it any kind of font in Canva that you can make it. I guarantee you 100% everything done in Canva. Well, I'm going to show you and I'm going to break down all the elements that I use and how to make it done. Alright, so actually this one is easy, it's not so difficult, and because there's some update tools that Canva provide already in our community. And as you can see here, this is an options and first style, and this is the second style. So this is the second way, and this is the first way how to make this one happen. Alright, so before we continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sarmaha. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. Guys, without further delay, let's go straight to the working area. Alright, here the final one that I give, and I give some option in here. And guys, I'm going to break down and how to execute this kind of design. Okay, so I'm going to use this background, and the font that I use here is, the name of the font is Sports World. So here, so this one is already provided by Canva. It's a Sports World, so that's the name of this font over here. And I type your name, I just borrow your name, so that because this video tutorials I present it to you, so to help you, and I'm glad that this tutorial will help you and is useful for everyone as well. And I typed already your name in here, and I'm going to give you the original how I execute this kind of design. Okay, so this is the original type of the font, Sports World. And once you type any kind of letters or names and any kind of whatever, even though other font, okay, so I choose this one, Sports World, and click the font and effect. Okay, once you go to the effect, go to the splice here, splice, and click splice. So don't worry about this, you can change the color. Firstly you need to go to the offset all the way back, okay, all the way back, so that the font color will not far away. So offset all the way back 0, and thickness, so you can reduce the thickness of the outline. And this one you can change the color if you like the black one, if you like yellow and red, so it doesn't matter. So you can, this one you can choose, and this one is as well colorable, you can change the color. And after this we are done, but it's not yet same as exactly what you asked, so we still need more lines over here. Okay, so to make this happen, and this one you need to copy paste again, copy paste, and click effect and effect of the font, and click hollow, and then hollow it change and it give you this kind of font. And you can reduce the thickness, and I suggest you to make this one thicker. Okay, and after this you don't have to make it bigger, no, it just stay still. Okay, and because we need the black one, yeah, the black color around here, so we just change this color. You can change this color from here. Okay, you can change become black or any kind of color, okay, even though this one, but we're going to choose this one is black. So all you're going to do with this is go backward, and after that Yes, you can adjust. And now, yeah, because we wait a second, because just now we just adjust the color. Yes, please do not change the size, otherwise it won't exactly. So I will, sorry, I will just change the color of this font. Yeah, please do not make any adjustment of this, otherwise it will not exactly the same color. Okay, once we did this one, now go click position and all the way back. Now you can put on it behind, backward. Okay, so we are done. So if this is one you ask for, so we are done. Right, so we are done, so it's good to go. Yes, this is the first one. All right, and this is the final one that I gave you. And if you like to give some shadow about that, so just copy paste again this kind of font. Okay, copy paste again and click effect and shadow. All right, so change the shadow color, become black, and range transparency and blur. Okay, and direction you can change, it's up to you how would you like, and the offset as well. Okay, so I will just randomly like that, and okay, it's good to go. And put position all the way back, and after that you can arrange it. Now we get a little shadow over here. Okay, so just exactly like this, right? If you like to, so you can arrange the shadow. Okay, so I told you can arrange the shadow, you can come back again, and direction of the shadow, and transparency, how would you like, and blur. Yes, so to make shadow effect on there, and after that put it back again. So it's good to go. All right, so you don't have to upload a specific font like this, but you can make it and execute right away. And this is the first one. And how about the second one? The second one, you can do it, and I will just borrow this font over here and put in here, and I will just remove all the effect in there and here. Okay, so still the same font, Sport World. And now after you type this stuff and go to share and download and change, become PNG, and click, please click this transparent background. Okay, look guys, if you are not yet CANVA Pro users, so you may not access this one. So I suggest you guys, if you are going to have CANVA Pro users, you need to upgrade your account. So you can click this affiliations link over here that I put on my video descriptions to upgrade. If you use this link, that this one is a benefit for me, I will get some token from CANVA because I was affiliated. But if you are already CANVA Pro users, you don't have to worry about it. You just keep watching. So that's just like to introduce that, to let you know this one for all CANVA Pro users. All right, so that's the point. And after that, make sure you click, and after that click these all pages and just click current page. So current page, it will directly download it, the one that the page that you are open. So that's the current page, and done. So because I did already, you can download it, but I did already, I'm not going through there anymore. I will just get this one in here and put in here. Okay, and I will erase this one because I already uploaded here. Now we are going to have this one, so click this one and edit the image and go to shadow. You can look for and scroll down and click see all, and there is here, just choose here one, glow. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do with this later on. And glow, and you can adjust the blur. So firstly, blur all the way back, and transparency all the way forward. Okay, and size, it's up to you. How would you like the size? Okay, so I just like this. And for example, okay, if you like going to choose the color, okay, if you're going to choose the color, okay, I don't like white color. okay, before you go to edit, before you're going to shadow effect. So you can change this color by clicking the image and this object in here and go to edit image and scrolling down and look for duotone. So this duotone, it's up to you which one you like. It's just the same. For example, if we're going to maybe you're going to change the color, become black, so you just change the color and this both color become black, so it will change for you right away. All right, so that's how it works to change the color. Okay, any colors. So that's it. I'm not going to change, I'm going to use because I did here and as an option. So now we are going to have a black outline. So as I told you that we need to go to shadows and click all and glow, and now as I told you that blur all the way back first and transparency all the way forward. Okay, and size of the outlines you can adjust here. And all right, so now guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to let you know as well. So if you are going to give a space, so you just click over here spacing and you can arrange the space, letter space. So it's up to you how, if you like more tight, yeah, the space tight or more space. So it's up to you in here. So before you execute this one. All right, just a little information that I missed, I didn't tell you. And now after we get this black line over here, and again go back again to the shadow and glow. Now we are going to have a red line. So change the color first, become red. Okay, and blur all the way back and transparency all the way forward, and size you can make it big. All right, so now if you are happy with this, you can end it up by apply. And if you are still going to make more, okay, to make more, yes, just the same way you can come back again by click this one and more as much as you like. If you are going to give more and more, okay, for example, I'm going to give maybe blue color, yes, don't worry, just go black all the way back, blur, and all the way forward, transparency and size, you can arrange the size, so you can make it right. So because what we're going to do here, there's a shadow, I'm going to give a shadow. So exactly, and if you're to give a shadow, you can go back again, and for example, if you're going to shadow page lift, so the font's like, you know, lift up, it seems like, you know, it's not flat on the background. So it's up to you, how would you like. And well, if this one, you choose this one, it doesn't matter. And if you are happy with the position and the offset, yes, it's good to go. All right, blur and whatever, and apply. So now it gives you more style, how to create effect, outlines and shadow. So this is the second one that I would like to introduce you, and the first one, the second one. So for me, if you are asking so which one you like, so both I like, yeah, but I intend with I better choose, yeah, this one I choose this one, shadow, because more styles that I get from here, yeah, because of the shadow. Yes. All right, so guys, this is all about and how to answer this question from our friend in here. And I hope this tutorial is useful for you guys, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support. But if you don't like to get any notifications, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching, and that's fair enough. Thank you guys, and see you again for the next tutorial. Bye bye.